In today's video, we're going to look at using an add-on in Google Sheets to create a mail merge. This particular add-on is called Yet Another Mail Merge. This allows you to create draft Gmail and then use the add-on to link data held in a sheet to create variable items in your draft Gmail. This add-on is perfect for sending bulk mails to clients, customers, friends and relatives. And in this example, we're going to send invoice details to several customers. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our sheet, and as you can see, I've already done this. So row 1 is the headers, and these will also double up as the merge fields, which I will add in to my draft Gmail, which I'll show you in a minute. And from row 2 downwards, this contains the variable information that will be inserted into each Gmail and go out to my relative clients. In relation to the headers, I've highlighted 2 in red to draw your attention. The only 2 fields that are mandatory are this merge status field and this email address. So it must be set up as you see here. Merge space status email space address. Email address used to send the email out to your client or your recipient. The merge status you can use, and you don't want to send an email to certain clients, you can put a 0 against that particular client. So on row 4, this client here will not receive an email because there's a 0 added into this particular column. The reason I've highlighted due date is that if you're using a date in your mail merge, if you format it as a date, the date will come out formatted in such a way that it'll come out in day, month, year, hour, month, second format. So it'll look a little bit strange in your Gmail. So if you want to format it in a way that is recognized for your particular region, you need to format the date as plain text. So just highlight the dates and go to Format, Number, and select plain text. Simple as that. The rest of the headers, you can name them in any way that you like. My own preference is to keep the names meaningful, so subject will go in the subject line, client name refers to the client recipient's full name, company name and address, and so forth. When you've set up your sheet, you are ready to set up your draft Gmail. So you open up Gmail, and I've already created in my drafts folder, so you leave it in your drafts folder, an email such as this. So the recipient field is left blank, and in the subject line I've put in 2 fields. Now you notice that each field is denoted by angle brackets. So if I want to place the subject in the subject line, I type in 2 angle brackets, then type in subject. So what will happen is that whatever's in this line here will be slotted into the subject line of my email. And you can also see as well, I've put in the company name as a mail merge field as well. So what will happen is that for the first email, the subject line will say August invoice details for ABC Limited. The second email address will have August details for Acme PLC. And you just follow this format all the way through. So I have Dear, which is normal text, and then we have a field here, first name, the client's first name, Joe, Mary, and so on will be slotted in here, and it follows through. So the fee will go here, the tax amount will go here, the gross amount will go here, the due date will go here, and then below I have the company name, client name, company name, and address lines up to 6. So I'm happy that my email draft is fine, so I can close it. So I'm on to the last stage where I'm going to add the add-on to this particular sheet. So I click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. And I'm looking for yet another mail merge. So here it is here, and I'm just going to click on the button here. And these are the permissions, so I just scroll down and accept. And the script is being added. So yet another mail merge. So I'm going to click on add-ons and yet another mail merge, start mail merge. I have an option to import contacts from my Gmail, but I don't need to do that. And check on remaining quota. You're limited to a certain number of emails per day through Gmail. So I'm going to click on start mail merge. Draft subject company name, yes. Your sender name is my name. And the address, email address to send from. So I'm happy with this. Now you can send emails, or I can send a test email. So I'm just going to click on the middle one, test. Send me a test email. Okay, check your inbox to view the test email. Click OK. And it sent me the very first one. So that's what the test mail does. It just sends the test email, and here it is. Dear, so the subject line, August invoice details for ABC Limited. Dear Joe, please send. So I'm happy with that. So back to my scripts. And remember, this email isn't going to be sent, but the rest will. So back to add-ons, yet another mail merge, start mail merge. Send emails. Emails have been sent. Click OK. Thank you for watching.